What's up, YouTube? We checking out the Frequent Flyer, and as you can see, we have the Bug 6 here, sent courtesy of GearBest. This is the basic version. Let's get right in the box and check out what we get. So first of all, we get this, the instructions manual. We got some bugs stickers there. We got a quick start guide. It's out the box. Okay, we got this here. We need the blue alien to get up in here. So the standard version comes with a different canopy than the Bugs 8. And let's move this out the way. Got my daughter here on the side. So we get a balance charger for a 2S battery here. It looks like it connects to micro USB there. So we got a screwdriver, prop tightening tool there. And we got a Bugs transmitter here. Let's get this open. We got a Bugs transmitter here. And we also get an extra set of spare props. And we have these little washers in here, or gaskets, whatever you want to call them. These nuts here can be removed with the hand there. And there's these little washers in here, which keep it tight. So we're definitely going to check this thing out. It's basically the exact same thing as the Bugs 8. Just a different canopy. Everything else is the same. Let's pop the hood here. The VTX goes right in here. We'll be checking out that version a little later. It comes with this battery here, the same battery from the Bugs 8. It's a 7.4 volt. What is it? 1300 milliamp hour battery. 25C. So this thing isn't all that power hungry. It does have brushless motors though. So you guys can expect some flight footage of this coming up real soon. Should be a very sporty flyer without the camera in there. And ultimately a quick review and maybe a full review. It's the Bugs 6 basic version. Thanks for watching.